everyone. This is Rohit Ahuja, your facilitated for the day. I welcome you all in this lively session of the riders. Riders. This is riders not related to bike riders, but the rider is related to insurance. What rider means in the sector in which we are working, that is insurance sector. So, have you ever had a pizza? If yes, then let me explain you that if you had a plain pizza and if you had a corn cheese pizza, so corn cheese, so these two are having the different ingredients which they have. So it means this is a plain base cover if we talk in the terms of insurance, and this is a base cover with rider, base cover with rider. So rider is the additional benefit which one can expect from the apart from the base cover with a minimal cost. So this is the additional benefit which the life assured can use if that event or that something is happened to him in the form of the disease or any permanent disability or accidental death. So the sum assured which is available in the form of a rider, it will be given to the life assured at the time of the occurrence of the event. So basically the rider has classified in three major types. Three major types the riders has been classified. One is critical illness rider. Critical illness rider. Second is this is CI. Second is accidental death benefit. Accidental death benefit rider. ADB. Now third one. Income disability, income permanent disability on accident, permanent disability on accident. So let me explain you one by one that what the rider is all about. So first of all, we will discuss regarding the critical illness rider. For example, we have taken the critical illness rider in the term plan. Now, for example, if my policy term is of 30 years and I have taken the critical illness rider in this policy. If in the 15th year there is something happened to the life assured in the form of 19 critical illness, so the sum assured will be paid to the life assured and the base cover will be continuous as it is. There is no need for the life assured to expend the extra income which they have saved. Their income which have saved, they will not expend their savings on this. Rather, the company will provide them the sum assured of critical illness. Sum assured of critical illness. So the critical illness rider work in this way. Now we move to the second rider. Which is accidental death benefit. Now we move to the second rider, ADB. ADB, accidental death benefit. As the word itself suggests, that accidental death. It means that if something happened to me, in something happened to the life assured in the form of accident and mishappening has been done. For example, my sum assured was 1 CR. So if something happened to the life assured in the form of accident, he will be getting the double of this, which is 2 CR. It means if the life assured has taken the rider of ADB, he will be getting the double sum assured, accidental death benefit. If something happened in between the policy term to the life assured, he will be getting double 2 CR of the sum assured. It means on the happening of an event in the form of accident, he will be getting the double of sum assured. Now the third one, as we discussed, basically the rider has classified into 3 riders. One is critical illness, second is accidental death benefit. Now the third one. Third one is permanent income disability. Now, if my policy term is of 30 years, now in the 15th year, I met with an accident and I am unable to work and my income has been stopped, and if I taken the rider of permanent income disability on accident, 1% of the sum assured, 1% of the sum assured will be paid per month for 10 years. One percent of the sum assured, whatever the sum assured of that rider will be, so what 1% of the sum assured per month for 10 years will be paid, which will cater my expenses as my income has been stopped. So in this way we have learned that what the riders is all about. Basically the rider is the additional benefit which we are getting apart from the base work. So thank you so much everyone.